Whoa, hold up. Did you know Bergen, Norway is the rainiest city in Europe? Yep, it's like living in a real-life water world, but that's not even the craziest part. Picture this, Bergen has 4 times more annual rainfall than London. But hey, rain brings beauty, right? Bergen is famous for its lush greenery and vibrant landscapes. And get this, Bergen's fish market has been around since the 1200s. Talk about a historic hotspot. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of a city that's a UNESCO City of Gastronomy? Well, Bergen is. So if you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. And lastly, Bergen is a gateway to some of Norway's most stunning fjords. It's like stepping into a postcard. Are you ready to explore? Hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing facts, and let's go on an adventure together.